They're off and they are racing, and Desert Crown is looking ahead, and also is Shakira. Shakira has lost the momentum. Prodigal Rain has dropped to the third. So now is approaching Echelon, has gone towards the inner side. Great recovery from Echelon. Echelon is looking nice and solid. And the crowd now drops to the second. And the Prodigal Rain is also getting into very good stride. One of the railing is Prodigal Rain. This is now taking some pressure. Also is Shakira, wide of the fence as well. Prodigal Rain is now leading. Prodigal Rain, but very tight finish for the second position. But Prodigal Rain